Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown in this video to slow it down. Start with the Google Maps plugin by Supsystic. Download the free version, then add the pro version with the 14-day free trial. Advanced features at no cost. Let's start with using marker clusters. Marker clusters are an excellent way to manage maps with many markers. To enable clusters, go to the map settings and find the Marker Clustering option. Once activated, markers that are close together will be grouped into clusters, making your map cleaner and easier to navigate. Plugin also offers various marker list types, allowing you to display your markers in different ways. You can choose from lists, grids, or even custom templates to showcase your markers. To set up a marker list, navigate to the Marker List section in your map settings. Select the type of list you prefer and customize its appearance to match your map's theme. This feature is particularly useful for providing additional information about each marker in a structured and visually appealing way. To draw a shape, navigate to the map you want to edit and select Add Shape. You can choose from various shapes like circles, polygons, and rectangles. Customize the appearance of your shape by adjusting the color, opacity, and border style. This feature allows you to visually emphasize particular zones on your map. These advanced features provide powerful tools to make your maps more interactive and user-friendly. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to experiment with these advanced features to fully leverage the potential of the Supsystic Ultimate Maps plugin. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of your WordPress plugins.